Hello and welcome to this video. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? A bit later, I'll share the top quality of successful affiliate marketers. So what is affiliate marketing? As an affiliate marketer, you help businesses generate sales, and you get paid a commission on sales. The best part is you don't need to create a product or service or handle customer inquiries. You just need to put an attractive offer in front of people who are most likely to be interested in buying. Who is a good fit for affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can be a great choice for online entrepreneurs and influencers. For bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and social media enthusiasts. How does affiliate marketing work? First, you need to choose a niche or group of potential customers you would like to work with. Second, you need to find good products for your niche. Third, you need to let your niche know about your offers. In a nutshell, that's how affiliate marketing works. You recommend products to people who are interested in buying, and you get a commission. What's the top quality successful affiliate marketers have? Affiliate marketing works best when you're sincere and confident about the products you're promoting. When you put customers before profit, then the money takes care of itself. There is of course a lot more to succeeding with affiliate marketing. But that's another video. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button.